Lots of people really enjoy a hot tub or a hot bath as a way of getting relaxed. You can practice muscle relaxation by imagining or pretending that you are in a hot tub or a hot bath. We will use this as an example. If you'd rather imagine a different relaxing place later on, go right ahead. To start, get a good picture in your head of a hot tub or hot bath. Really clear, like you're watching it on TV. You can picture yourself sitting on the side of the hot tub, getting ready to get in. As you listen to this practice exercise, shut everything else out of your mind. If your attention does start to wander, that's okay. Just bring your attention back to my voice. Now, take a nice, deep breath in and let it out slowly. Let each breath fill your chest slowly and let it out slowly. Good. Take nice, easy breaths, not too fast or too slow, just whatever is comfortable for you. Now, begin to notice how with each breath, your body starts to feel relaxed and calm. With each breath out, feel your whole body become more heavy and relaxed. As you look at the hot tub, you might like to feel the water first to get yourself used to it. You can sit on the side of the tub, placing the tips of your toes in the warm water. Enjoy how good it feels. Then, slowly place your entire foot in the water. First your right foot, and then your left. It feels good to have the warm water circling around your feet. Then you can go farther into the tub by stepping in lower so that your calves are now covered with the warm water. Relax. Enjoy the feeling of relaxation throughout your legs and calves. Step in even deeper and focus on the feeling of warmth all over your legs, down your calves, and into your feet. Notice how good the warm water feels on your legs. Enjoy having your legs feel a bit heavier and relaxed. As you sit deeper in the hot tub, the water is now swirling around your stomach and lower back. Feel the warmth all over your stomach, back, and legs. Relax, feeling the looseness, enjoying the relaxation. Now you may be ready to place your hands in the water. Enjoy the warmth of the water. Let your hands hang loosely on your lap. Let the relaxation flow all the way down your arms towards your fingers. Notice how good it feels to let the tension out of your muscles. If you like the sensation of water jets, imagine that they have come on and are pushing the water toward you in a soothing way. You may hear the rhythm of the jets as they pulse the water around the tub and help you feel more relaxed. When you are ready, slide farther into the tub, feeling the warm water rise up to your chest and cover your hands and arms. Enjoy the heaviness in your body and feeling your muscles relax. Feel the warmth of the water circling around your shoulder and neck muscles. Relax and let the water circle around your neck, throat, and shoulders. Enjoy how loose and easy your neck can feel in the warm water as it balances on your relaxed shoulders. You may place your head gently backwards now onto a soft cushion and feel the warm water around the base of your head. Let yourself imagine the warmth spreading through your entire face. Your face is getting smooth and relaxed. Notice the calm feeling of having relaxed muscles in your face. Enjoy the feel of the warm water all over your body, relaxing your muscles and creating a sense of calm. Feel the heaviness in your entire body now. Enjoy the feeling of relaxation when your whole body feels loose and calm. And it feels good to be in control of your body. When you're ready to finish, just move around a bit and stretch. You might feel relaxed and energized and ready to go back to your regular activity.